Hello friends, I am Vidut Vishwas and welcome to my channel. Today I will discuss about a company named Aarti Industries. It's a market leaders and specialty chemical sector. Aarti Industries का business mainly it's engaged in manufacturing and dealing of specialty chemical, pharmaceuticals and home and personal care chemicals, and its main business in specialty chemical as it's almost 75% in production is mainly specialty chemicals, and its revenue 88% revenue mainly due to specialty chemicals. And to as today's market, specialty chemicals is a big thing because at total worldwide its market is total 750 billion USD, and up at 2024 it is assumed that it will be 1 trillion USD. So it's a huge market to all over the world. And now still now China having 25% market sharing, but China, nowadays China having many pollution control related regulations. So mainly they are stopping specialty chemicals or chemicals production. So here Indian companies having huge opportunity. Till now India having market share of only 3 to 4% worldwide, and it is assuming that up to 2024 it will be around 10%. So as Aarti Industries is a market leader of the specialty chemicals, so Aarti Industries having a huge potential at this segment. Now now it's having mainly benzene based products, and it's having more than 200 plus products, and its product basket and 700 Indian customer and 400 global customer almost. So it's having huge customer base, 700 Indian customer and 400 global customer. Now it's having almost 30 to 30% 3% global customer, and Indian customer almost 70%, and it's having 17 manufacturing plant to all over the India and 12 having only zero discharge. Now zero discharge, which is the meaning of the zero discharge? Meaning of zero discharge means it's not discharging any harmful chemical to the environment. Means generally we all know that chemical companies are mainly discharging many chemicals to the environment, so they are facing many regulation pollution regulatory related issues time to time. But if they are not discharging anything, then it will not face any regulatory related pollution regulatory related issues. So it having a sustainability, it will have sustainability because its 12 plants is on zero distance plant. So fundamental point of view, you can say it's having huge future because chemical specialty chemicals markets are increasing. It's having huge customer base. It's having huge product basket. It's having international business as well as domestic customer base. It's everything. So what do you need from a company as a fundamental point of view? Now some we will check some sales and another data fundamental point of view. Oh, company has good consistent profit growth of 25.82% over a 5 period of years of time. And now if we see result quarter on quarter basis, last year December quarter result is only 1276 crore, and this year almost flat, slightly decreasing. Or profit point of view, profit is slightly increasing from 134 crore to 140 crore, almost flat. Now I am checking the data year on year basis. Total, if you will check at the 2008, only sales was 883 crore. Now it is all it's at the 2009 it's 4706 crore, and at 2008 its profit was only 40 crore, and now 492 crore. So in terms of profits, it's expanding 10 times. In terms of business sales, is expanding almost 6 times. So it's a huge growth, and constant sales growth is there. If you will check from here to here, constant sales growth is there. So now I'm checking some compound sales growth data. At the 10 years data is 12.60%. Compound profit growth on 10 years data is 18.94%. If you will see the 5 year sales growth, it also the consistent 12.44%, and 5 years profit growth is in the 25.82%. And it's only if we will see the share capital and reserves and debt data. So we can easily see that it 2019 its debt was 2400 crore. Now is decreasing substantially to 1800 crore, and also it's having huge reverse. So fundamentally, we can say this company is good. Though I am not fundamental analysis, just I am such data at Google and collected for my friends. So I am sharing with you. I am mainly, you all know that I am mainly technical analyst by hobby. So now I will check the technical data. See here, friends, here is a, you can see, if you will see here, now I will draw something else. See here, here we having one top and down, again we having another top and down, and again go up, and oh, it's see here, we having two tops here. Two tops, what is the meaning of the two tops? Two tops means two supply zone. See here, if we will want to draw train line, so we'll have to decide the zone. See here, one top is there, obviously high is there, but it's not close above here. So we can say that these two are almost equal tops, and it's we can tell it's a supply zone, strong supply zone, and supply zone we always act as a resistance for price. And see here, it's strongly breaks its supply zone with a huge volume. You see the volume buildup is very huge, and after breaking it, strong giving a strong green candle, and today it's consolidated. And see the closing price is almost 1110. So now if we will want to enter at this score, so now calculate the stop loss. What will be the stop loss? We You all know that I am generally putting stop loss 2% below of the breakout point. Here breakout point is a 1048, and now so 2% below means almost 21 rupees. So 1048 minus 21, so it's 1027 rupees. So breakout either, and now closing price is 1110. So difference is almost 80. So risk is almost 85 rupees. That means our risk percentage is almost 7 to 8%. So risk is considerably low. Almost if you will want to enter at the any equity, you will have to take this much risk. So, but at the market, nothing is granted. So if it will hit stop loss, if you will have to exit at the below 1026 rupees, and you will issue loss loses. So it is all about the daily chart. But now I will take confirmation for the long term chart. See what the long term chart saying. Oh, it's having, see here, from here to here constant uptrend. This type of stock I am generally saving ever green stock. See here, no, there is no huge correction anywhere. So this stock is, I can say, very good. Means always it's evergreen. So now see here, or it's trading with a constant slope. See here, there is a slope, constant slope. So you can say it's increasing with this angle. If we will draw a vertical line, so easily draw a slope like this, we can say it's increased with the 30% slope. So now at technical analysis, we can draw a trend line to decide a slope. See here, we can, if we will draw a trend line like this, if we will take the last 2 points, we will have to obviously take the last 2 points and draw a trend line like this. See here, it's break the tail line. It's break the this suppose it's trading with this angle, and it's break the tail line. And at technical analysis, what the meaning of the breaking of the tail line? See here, suppose a stock trading with this angle. So increasing with this angle means it's trading like this. Suppose if it will break this, it's an indication that this slope is going to change. This slope is going to steeper. See here, it may be like this. Till now, suppose it is trading with the 30% angle, then new slope will be obviously 45, 50, maybe 60 also, but slope will change. So see here, here also it's given breakout here, and obviously we need some volume. So now let me check the volume. See yet this is weekly chart, still volume and only 3 days. This is Wednesday, so still 2 days is left from the for the trading. Still see the volume growth. It's a huge volume growth. So it breaks the tail line with a huge volume, which indicating that its trend going to change. Angle of the trend is going to change. So we can get a huge up move from here with the increasing angle. So this is so it is overall fundamentally and technically is very good stock. So friends, this is all what about my analysis on the Aarti Industries. Or just before completing this my analysis, I want to share with you that I am not a SEBI registered technical analyst. I am a technical analyst by my hobby, and please, so that's why I can't give you a call. Please use my analysis for study purpose only. If you want to enter at this talk, please do your own analysis and consult with certified uh, certified registered analyst, and please use my study for the use my analysis for study purpose only. So friends, now bye bye for today and good night.